Welcome to Ask Survive. Today we will show you shortcuts you will need in your design every day. Stay tuned with me. Now, if you want to drag this wall, you click on the wall, Ctrl D to drag. If you want to drag a copy of this or any other element, you hold on Ctrl Shift D and drag. If you want to rotate, click on the material, then press Ctrl E. If you want to rotate a copy, Ctrl Shift E. If you want to mirror, Ctrl M. If you want to mirror a copy, Ctrl Shift M. If you want to group this element because they are all standing alone, if you want to group them together, you select, then press Ctrl G. So they are now one. If you want to ungroup, Ctrl Shift G. Then on your 3D tab, to orbit or rotate, you press O. I hope this tutorial helps. Thank you. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.